Mr. Lewis.
Yes.
Peter Whistler.
Of course, yes. How are you? Thank you. It's funny the way things work out, isn't it?
I've not noticed that they do.
You're probably right. Well,
Fight. I can take it.
what?
Fight. I can take it.
Did I say that? Ah. So what are you doing these days?
Teaching. Feel free to give a hollow laugh.
No, I suspect you're a born teacher.
I do turn out to be quite good at it.
Good. Your father's a teacher, isn't he?
Yes.
Right.
He died a few months ago.
I'm sorry.
I loved him very much.
Did he know that?
I think so. I think he knew.
Yeah. One has to say things. The moment passes and then you're alone again.
Yes.
We read to know we're not alone. That's what he said, wasn't it, your father? I haven't forgotten. Well,